What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the vanilla iPhone 15 to get a big camera boost with this iPhone 14 Pro feature. Planning to buy the iPhone 15 after launch? It could have an amazing camera, courtesy of this Apple's big upgrade. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, for our daily tech news and updates, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. There's been a lot of activity in the Apple ecosystem. A few days ago, Apple unveiled iOS 17, iPad OS 17, Watch OS 10 and more. The latest software for its iPhones, iPads and Apple Watches and more. In addition, the Cupertino-based tech giant also unveiled a new MacBook Pro, Mac Studio, as well as its first ever mixed reality headset called Vision Pro, while several features that are coming to iPhones were demonstrated at this event. New rumors and leaks have given us a hint about the hardware upgrades that could be offered with the iPhone 15 lineup. And this latest one could be great news for those looking to buy the vanilla iPhone 15 smartphone. While the standard iPhone 15 variants are likely to continue with the same dual camera setup, it could get a massive upgrade with a new 48 megapixel camera sensor, which only the Pro versions are currently equipped with it. This news comes from a report seen by IT Home via Tech Radar. According to the report, Sony has asked semiconductor manufacturer TSMC to help in fulfilling this high-demand offer, as every model in the iPhone 15 lineup is expected to feature a primary 48 megapixel camera sensor. If you think this would bridge the gap between the standard and the Pro models of the iPhone 15 lineup, then you are wrong. Most likely because iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max smartphones are set to get substantial camera upgrades of their own. Let's talk about iPhone 15 Pro Max camera upgrades. While the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max are expected to get the same camera system as their predecessors, including the 48 megapixel Sony IMX803 sensor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will also get a new periscope lens. According to a report by MacRumors, the periscope camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max could have almost double the optical zoom of the current iPhones. According to the latest reports, this new periscope camera, which could be built into the telephoto lens, could offer 5x 6x optical zoom, which is almost double the 3x zoom offered by the current iPhone 14 Pro Max. It is an exclusive feature that will be limited to the iPhone 15 Pro Max only. It is expected that the new iPhone 15 line will officially launch in September this year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.